Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Torras screen protector kit for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is also available for some iPhone models. I'll link everything down in the description below to where you can pick these up on Amazon. But here's the packaging it comes in. I've already slid it out of the box just to get that out of the way for the video. But some information about Torras on the back here, as well as the screen protector itself. So, very nice presentation when you take it out of the box. Right here on the left hand side we have your little alignment tool, so you get a nice install. Then right here we have your screen protector. This does come in a 2-pack, so you do get 2 of them in there. And then we have your installation accessories, so your wet wipe and your cloth and your dust removal stickers. We have 2 of those, so I like how they individually package these. So you can save the other one for the next screen protector. We have a little warranty card right here. Just probably takes you to the warranty website. And then we have the user guide right here, which gives you step-by-step instructions on how to install the screen protector. And then this screen protector also comes with a back piece for the cameras, a little lens protector. I'm not going to be putting this on because it doesn't work with the cases I use, but if you are rocking no case or something like that, or a case that has a larger cutout, you can put that on and that will cover your lenses. So there's that. And then last but not least, up in the top here, we have your installation squeegee. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out right here, and I'm going to put all the duplicates of everything back in the box. I'm not going to need those. I have my Galaxy S23 Ultra right here. I'm going to go ahead and slip this excuse me, out of the case. That is the Samsung rugged case right here with the attachments on the back. Alright here. So here's my S23 Ultra. It looks like the skin somehow shrunk a little bit in that case. I don't know exactly how that happened, but whatever. Alright, so here is the original screen protector that I had on it. I'm just going to go ahead and take that off real quick. This is just the Samsung screen protector that they sell. Alright, so there is the phone. I'm going to go ahead and open up our little installation package here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down with the cloth. Go ahead and take out our little wet wipe here, and just go ahead and get a good wipe on the phone, especially those edges where older screen protectors may not have covered. Just want to get all those smudges and fingerprints and everything off completely. Alright, so once you have done that, refrain from touching the screen as much as possible from this point on. Going to take it and dry it off with our microfiber cloth here. Just get anything else off the screen. Alright, got the rest of those fingerprints off. And then I am going to take the dust remover here, and we're going to clean all the dust off. I like how they include the large dust removal sticker, so you're not going all over the screen a bunch of times. It also gives you something to hold on to, so you make sure you're not touching the screen when you do this. Right, and then we're going to pop the phone down here in the installation guide, like so. Maybe let me Let me check the instructions on that real quick. I don't think that is correct. Alright, so yeah, that was backwards. So the phone goes upside down. There we go. Just gonna wipe that off one more time now that we've got it in the little tool. Alright, got my little squeegee right here. And we have a screen protector here. I'm going to take one out and leave the other one in the package. Alright. And then we have a little thing here that says peel off first. So we're going to remove that from the back. And then obviously the top is going to be the spot with your camera hole right there. So just going to line the little nubs up there. Let me see something. Looks like this is backwards. There we go. So the top does have the two holes closer together. Alright, so let's try that again. There we go. Trying to stick down there. Which we don't want it to do just quite yet. Alright, got the bottom on down there. Now we're just going to squeegee everything on here. Have to get the edges after we take it out of the applicator. Alright, so we'll go ahead and peel that off. Give it a little, one last little squeegee there. Alright, let me just push these edges down. Alright, it looks like we have a little bit of bubbling down there, but not too bad. And there we go. Nice installed screen protector. It's nice and lined up, as you can see there at the camera. I got a couple bubbles down here on the bottom we'll have to work out, but they should work themselves out here in the next few hours. But there we go. There is my S23 Ultra with the Torras screen protector on it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.